all this shit is freestyle off the air. Like, I don't recite none of this shit. Like, I fuck up a lot, but like, I feel like I get it in. Hey, 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 hey. Hell on earth. I bomb, I go first. I leave these niggas up, what's word and what's worse. I probably dipping in a little nigga in reverse that came through in this drop and pulling up your skirt. Like, hey, my nigga, like what's worse? 4-4, my nigga, them bullets, they disperse. Niggas get hit with them bullets and that surge. I knock a nigga down right there and that's worse. Hey, but nigga, I'm first. Nigga, I'm the one. Nigga, I be Neo. I'm seeing everything and you just fake like Miss Cleo. And all y'all niggas really zeros. I'm 1-0-0-0-0-0. Niggas know about me, kept that shit a fucking million with my amigos. And not to mention speaking to my peoples. Probably shoot your ass while you peeping through the peephole. Niggas know about me in this bitch and I might see through the floor band. Hey, I hope your ass is real fucking absorbent. Cause niggas gon' die when that floor hit. Hey, I put that 4 to your forehead. You drop to the floor dead. Hey, I murk your ass in your damn bed. For no reason, bitch. Better off, shit, you sleeping, bitch. Niggas know about me, probably shot him cause he blinking, bitch. Niggas looking at me like, yo, Jay, what you thinking, bitch? Niggas know about me, I be in it, I be sinking into this dark depressive. All these fucking rejects and all these niggas who can't take place and can't take place with takes on my tape, so they press eject. Niggas know about me in this bitch and they see this like, hey, I know the motherfucking secret. And you can torture me all you want and I won't leak it. And I don't even talk to no polices. And I'm all 31 with my guns. Niggas know I'm all 31 with my... Let me not speak too much on all of that shit. I be falling on that shit. Hey, hey, but I be all on that shit. All on that pit. And niggas know about me, nigga. You can come take a twist. This for my wood grain grippers. My fucking blunt twisters. My fucking perk sippers. My fucking faux bogas. Hey, niggas take notice. I was meditated on that White Lotus. So for so many years that I became focused. That's how I know y'all niggas quite bogus. Hey, that's how I know that shit is fucking quite tragic. I went through that rabbit hole without Alice. Hey, and niggas know that I be wild and I'm violent. I'm looking like I'm Pontius Pilate. Make a bed, make a pallet. And niggas know about me, make a grave, make a gravel, bitch. While niggas lean back and yo bitch, lean back, try to straddle this. Hey, hey, how I gon' suck it? I got a fat old dick. Like really, dog, I'm on that bastard shit. I probably hit you with that 4-5. Like, hey, I suggest you run faster, bitch. I kill your son. No, kill you, your son now, bastard, bitch. Like, hey, I probably leave you on that Casper shit. Pistol to your bitch head, tell that bitch to pass the bricks. Tell your bitch to get the dope and get the coke and get all of that fucking shit.